Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Good, and on this channel I do makeup tutorial, hair tutorial and product review. But today I'm going to be doing get ready with me, and it's going to be, so guys, one eye done off camera, and I'm using this palette by Makeup Revolution. Then the first shade I'll be taking is You Do You. Oh dear, You Do You, this dark brown shade. I'll apply this all over my lid. So the next color I'll be taking is this Flames and Addicted. I mix these two together, then I apply it to my brown bone just to blend it everything together. Guys, don't be carried away by social media during this Christmas. Just use whatever you have. Thank God for keeping you and your household. Thank God for His mercy. So for my crease, I'll be using Rimmel concealer. This. The way to cut my crease now, I will just look up, so where it stopped up, then that's where I'm going to start. That's where it's going to end. So can you see that? So here, for my glitter, I'll be using this glitter from BH. So guys, for my foundation, I'll be using these two together. I love this foundation so much. This is my new foundation now. I'll be using Makeup Revolution again. I'm taking this. For my highlighter, I'll be using Wet and White highlighter. And that Christmas glow there. This is my first delay. What can you say about this? Do you like my gele? So let me use the black one and see how it goes. Second gele, how does this look? What can you say about this? Yeah, with black and gold accessories. Which one is more beautiful? This is the finished look. I hope you like it. Remember, in 2020, don't give anyone priority over your life, okay? And you have to leave everything, any heavy load on your heart, you have to leave it behind in 2019, so that you can carry something better, something great, something good forward into 2020. I wish you the best 2020. See you in 2020. Bye.